Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply share your screen in a Discord. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you want to be in some kind of server, like I have here, that this is the way. Click here on one of the voice channels that you have. And now, okay, I'm connected in a general voice channel. Now right here, I'm going to click here on left down corner or share your screen. You will see it here. And then you can choose which screen you want to show. So let's say that I want to, I don't know, I'm going to create a paint like this one here. So again, share screen. And I have paint here. So what you're streaming, paint, streaming channel general, resolution, frame rate, okay, go live. And now, okay, and now you can see that if I would write anything, people can actually see that. So that's pretty much it. And this is how we do it. And this is how you share your screen in Discord. Then to quit, you can easily just stop streaming. And yeah, have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.